Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Marlinet Urban-Ligas, your teacher for the subject Earth Science. So I would like to orient you on the curriculum guide of Earth Science. I would like to give you an idea on how we will be able to pursue or achieve the objectives, how we will be able to accomplish the learning competencies. So what are the parts or the topics that we will be able to face or tackle during the 2 quarters in this first semester of school year 2023-2024. I do hope that all of you will participate and will have that connection. When we say connection, ang ibig sabihin nito is that you will always be connected to me in this channel, and at the same time in the face-to-face setting. So I would like to welcome you in my subject, Earth Science. So take a deep breath and relax. Information and knowledge will smoothly be absorbed in your brain cells. Thank you. So Earth Science, this learning area is designed to provide a general background to the understanding of the Earth on a planetary scale. Ibig sabihin nito that we will try to identify the position, the size, the location of Earth in the solar system. How will we compare Earth to other planets? So that's the thing that we will know on this subject. Earth Science also presents the history of Earth through geologic time. When we say geologic time scale, it's a system used by scientists to describe the timing and relationships between events in Earth's history. So dito, they will try to use rock records, and it will include yung erosion, mountain building, and other geological events. And napaka-importante nito so that we will identify also the things that had happened before in the past na napaka-importante in the creation of what we see right now. This subject also discusses the Earth's structure and composition, the processes that occur beneath and on the Earth's surface, as well as issues, concerns, and problems pertaining to Earth's resources. Napakaganda at pag-uusapan natin yung mga layers of Earth, yung compositions niya, and also yung Earth processes, like for example, topics on geology, tectonics, hydrologic cycle, erosion, gravity, sediment, weathering, deposition, mass wasting, etc. So napakaraming pag-aaralan dito, and you will be interested because I will be also playing videos related to the topic na napapag-aralan natin. As you can see here, there's a sample. We have this code book legend. So the code of this subject is S11 12ES-IA-E-1. So we have the first entry under the legend here, learning area and strand, and also subject or specialization. Of course, this is science, and the grade level that should be taken is grade 11 and 12. And then when you see uppercase letter, it talks about the domain, content, component, or topic. So the topic here is all about Earth Science. So the uppercase here, or the letter that you will see, is ES, pertains to Earth Science. And then we have also the Roman numeral. We have this Roman numeral talks about quarter, And if it is Roman numeral 1, it talks about first quarter. And then lowercase letters, it talks about week. So if it is A, it is week 1. If it is B, week 2, C, week 3. So it depends on how many weeks should be tackled, or should a teacher tackle the subject. And then we have also the Arabic number. It talks about competency. So this actually is take the different hypothesis explaining the origin of the universe, that sample. So it's competency number 1. So we have different competencies in different topics. So yun, you will be meeting those things. And also, as you can see in the curriculum guide, under the column part, it is divided into 2, 4, 5 columns. Column number 1, it talks about the content of the subject. And then column number 2, it talks about content standard. And then column number 3, it talks about performance standard. And column number 4, it talks about the learning competencies. And the last column contains the code of a particular competency. Okay, let's talk about the first column, which is under the content. So as you can see in the copy, we have 4 contents. Content number 1, we have the origin and structure of Earth. Content number 2, it talks about Earth materials and processes. Content number 3, Earth processes. And last content, it talks about history of Earth. So this content serves as the umbrella of the succeeding 4 columns: the content standard, performance standard, learning competencies, and also the code. When we say content standard, it talks about how learners demonstrate understanding on a particular topic. So we have different topics under different contents. So this is the general thing that we need to achieve, so that you will be able to understand that particular topic. And then next, the third column is the performance standard, where this is actually the part where we will allow learners to create something out of that particular understanding. When they understand a particular topic, that's the time na gagawa na sila ng output nila, is naintindihan nila yung topic na yon. So, meron yung gagawa sila ng concept map, meron yung gagawa sila ng plan, gagawa sila ng mga model. Ano pa yung mga gagawin? Marami silang gagawin, so that this could actually give them the chance and opportunity to perform. And that performance will be evaluated by the teacher. And then next column is the learning competencies. So these are actually the objectives that we need to achieve. And this has many competencies. Each topic has many competencies, and the teacher should be able to target all of the competencies, and it has also a duration kung kailan dapat matatapos na yung pag-target ng mga competencies na ito. That's why we have codes there that serves as the duration, serves as the time frame of a particular competency. So malapit na tayo mag-klase. It will be next week. Siyempre, first day will be orientation of the subject. I would like also to meet you And I do hope that there will be a good flow of learning, good flow of teaching and learning process, so that we could be able to achieve our set goals for every meeting. I expect that you will attend religiously and participate, so that we could be able to have that quality education. So again, thank you very much for watching and listening.